Hello guys, I'm Chef Bhushan. Today I'm going to show you grilled chicken breast with barbecue sauce, sauteed mushrooms and sweet potato mash. You can replace chicken with cottage cheese or paneer. Barbecue sauce, we are not going to use proprietary, we are going to use in-house barbecue sauce and we are going to make it. For homemade barbecue sauce, we are going to need some garlic, ginger, tomato, onion, coriander, mustard, honey, red chili powder. For sauteing, we are going to need chicken breast, and for vegetarians, we are going to use paneer, which is cottage cheese steak. I am going to add sauteed mushrooms to my sauteed chicken breast. Along with that, I am going to prepare sweet potato mash with a pinch of turmeric. I am going to show you if the chicken breast is thick, how we can cook it faster at home. So, I am going to give a slit in between so that I can open it up so that the cooking time will be reduced. I am starting barbecue sauce with honey and I am trying to caramelize it. 2 tablespoons of honey. Caramelize because it will give a nice color to my sauce. Please take precaution not to burn your barbecue sauce at this stage. I'm going to add red chili powder. Without getting it burnt chili, I'm going to add a bit of water, add some sliced ginger, small tablespoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of mustard, half onion, some roughly chopped coriander and tomatoes. And I'm going to add some water. I'm going to cover it and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. Next step, we are going to prepare sweet potato mash. For that, I am going to add water. Sweet potato, we are going to peel it and cut into small dices. I am going to add a pinch of turmeric. Again, this will take 8 to 10 minutes to cook the sweet potato. Make sure the pan is hot before you add your mushrooms. Always remember, saute your mushrooms on high flame. Let the mushroom dance in the pan. Mushrooms are nicely sauteed and brown in color. I'm going to add crushed pepper, I'm going to marinate cottage cheese steak, which is paneer, by adding olive oil, chopped garlic, parsley, little bit salt and crushed pepper. I'm going to marinate chicken breast with olive oil, with chopped garlic, parsley, salt, crushed black pepper. So once the tomato are soft, I'm going to taste this. You may need to adjust some salt and some honey for sweetening. So once your tomatoes are soft, we are going to blend this. Make sure that we do not put in this in the mixer because it is hot and mixer lid will come out. Once it is blended, we are going to reduce it for 5 more minutes so that we will get the desired consistency of the sauce. We are going to sear cottage cheese on both the sides. There are always two sides to chicken breast, top side and the bottom or inside. We are always going to cook chicken from top side first. So this side goes at the bottom of the pan. When you cook chicken, always sear it on a high flame to seal the juices so that it will remain juicy from inside. So you can see a white line which is an indication that the chicken is cooked from one side, and I'm going to turn this chicken. So our sweet potato are ready, which I'm going to put in pan. You may add some salt as sweet potato has their own flavor and own taste, and you can keep as it is or you can give a fork mash. So we are going to mash it, not completely but just with the help of the fork.